Hello, lovely learners. Hope you are fine. Very good. Welcome to Natural Science class. Okay. In our previous lesson, we talked about what? Seasons in Ghana. And what did I say a season is? What did I say? A season is what? It is when the weather remains the same for what? For a long period of time in a year. Isn't it? Good. Then we talked about the types of seasons. We said we have two types of seasons, isn't it? And then we talked about what? The wet season, isn't it? Good. So you can recall the rest for yourself, isn't it? Talked about the what? The advantage or the good things we get from what? From what? From the wet season, isn't it? So you can recall the rest for yourself. Now today we are going to talk about the what? The disadvantages of wet season. The disadvantages of what? Wet season. The bad things that happens during the what? The wet season. The bad things that happens to us during the what? The wet season. That makes us feel so boring. Okay? Very good. Now, one. We feel cold during the what? The season, the wet season. We feel very cold during the wet season or the rainy season, isn't it? And when this happens, we wear what? Heavy clothes or thick clothes. You see, when it's rainy, you wear what? It feels so cold, so you wear your jackets, your pullovers, and the whole. They are heavy, isn't it? So we wear it to keep us what? Warm, isn't it? Good. Now let's look at the number 2. We cannot go out to play during the rainy season. Can you go out to play when it's raining or in the rainy season? No, we cannot, because when it rains, the floor becomes wet. Okay, the floor becomes wet, and when you go out to play, you can what? Slip and fall and then hurt yourselves, isn't it? That is why it's not advisable for you to go out to play during what? Rainy season. Exactly. Very good. Now the third one. We easily catch cold or flu during wet season. We easily fall sick. We catch cold. Okay? We catch what? Cold during the what? The wet season. And when this happens, this is when you take what? Medication, you take medicines and stuff. Exactly. When you blow your nose and you get it. Even your tonation, the way you talk will even change when you have cold, isn't it? Very good. Then the fourth one. On rainy seasons, flood, thunder, and lightning may occur. In rainy season, especially in Accra, in Greater Accra, sometimes when you go to Circle, when it rains, the whole place becomes flooded, isn't it? It gets even in our homes. Some homes are where we stay. Okay, some get flooded, isn't it? Very good. So when it gets flooded, where we can't get what anywhere to stay. Sometimes when it rains, because some homes get flooded, they move. It drives people from their homes, isn't it? During rainy season, a lot of people lose their homes. A lot of people lose their homes. The thunder and the lightning, some of us are afraid of it. Boom, boom, then you'll be shivering in your room, isn't it? Boom, 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 boom. We are all afraid, isn't it? When it rains, we become afraid of such things, isn't it? Very good. Now, the fifth one. Our wet or washed clothes do not get enough sun to dry. It do not get what? Enough sun to dry. When you wash your things in the rainy season, when you wash and you are not home, your things will get wet again when it rains. So when we wash, we do not get enough sun. When it rains, the sun does not shine most of the times. It doesn't shine, so we don't get enough what? Sunshine to dry our clothes. Is it? Exactly. Good. So I'll give you an activity for you to do for me. Exactly. Have a lovely day. I love you all. Bye bye.